for tonight or for today. It's February 6th. So I'm gonna start making my first batch of salvi for my salvi or balm. So here you go. Same thing, double boiler. So I measure already everything, guys. So first we have to melt the beeswax. Of course, we have to cook the beeswax. So right measurement, I measure already, guys. I use the electric measurement or digital measurement. So we're gonna do that first, and of course we have to close the lid. When it's melt already, guys, we have to add the oil. This is the beeswax that I'm gonna use, guys. It's color yellow, golden yellow or yellow, and unrefined shea butter. It's organic, guys, natural, not the refined one. So those are the ingredients. Some ingredients, guys, for my salvi. So these are the important, guys. At least 3 kinds of oil: sea buckthorn, and tamano oil, and rose hip oil, and plus I'm gonna add jojoba and unrefined shea butter. So those are the ingredients of the when you're making salvi, and also beeswax. There you go. It's on already. So when it's melted, guys, we have to add the mango butter because I don't have enough shea butter. I couldn't find the other shea butter that I ordered. I don't know, I misplaced it. So I have a mango butter. So it's separate, but you can add together shea butter and mango butter. So I measure already. So I have to do exact amount, guys. So this is 300 grams of shea butter, 200 grams of shea butter, and 100 grams of mango butter. So it's fresh, unrefined. So I think I have to wear gloves. So now it's melt already, guys. So we have to put the butters, and we have to melt it. So sticky, guys. It stinks. The smell. And we have to add the oil. We have to get all the shea butters. Oh, this is kind of heavy. I have to get all the shea butter. I don't want to waste anything, guys. When it's a little bit cooled down, we're gonna add the different oils, the sea buckthorn, tamano oil, and rose. See, guys, I name already: vitamin E, tamano oil, rose hip oil, and sea buckthorn oil. I think I'm just gonna move this down here so it's easy for me, guys, because it's all already. So let it cool down a little bit before adding the vitamin E, guys. Now let's continue it. So we're gonna add the vitamin E. Vitamin E is to protect your skin. It's measure also the vitamin E, how much vitamin E you have to put in it. Now, sea buckthorn. See guys, the color of sea buckthorn is like dark red or velvet. Sayang yung mga dumikit sa papel guys. Kaya lang, syempre, I have to get ready everything. I have to make sure, I add like 2 grams, because 2 grams like yung it is stuck on the paper. So, yeah, that's how I do guys. Just to make sure there's allowance on it, just in case. Kasi there's some left on the, diba, sayang. And rosehip oil. And then the last but not the least, tamano. Tamano oil. See guys, it's like dark brown or dark green the color. The ingredients are all organic and it's very expensive. Plus, 12 or 13 kinds of ingredients that I mix together and fuse to olive oil. And the olive oil is organic, extra virgin olive oil. Bango. Kanina guys, mabaho nung it stinky when the beeswax melt. But after adding all these kind of oils, it smells nice. Yeah, it smells nice guys when I add that, especially the infused oil, the 12 or 13 kinds of ingredients. It smells so nice now. And then, note that guys, very important, this is not good to use for baby because this is strong for adults only. It's optional guys. For the salvi, you don't have to put the essential oils, but because this is for adults, especially for babies, you don't even use any essential oils. Adults can tolerate the essential oils on their skin because it's adults already. So it's optional to add the essential oils because I want a nice smell. It's gonna help also for sleeping because it's lavender. You can use, if you don't have a lavender, you can use chamomile or frankincense. So I don't have frankincense, so I'm gonna use only the lavender and I don't have chamomile. But I infuse chamomile flowers on the infused oil, so it's more powerful, the natural flowers. So it's gonna be 115 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It says 90 to 115 drops. So I think 90 is fine. So let's do the stir. Wow, it smells so good. I think I can add some more. Okay, there you go. That's it. So it's gonna be, it smells nice, my salvi or balm for eczema. Yay! So see guys, it's very different color from others because I have my own recipe for salvi. I don't copy other people making salvi. This is my botanical salvi for eczema. So I did research on it. So this is how I come up with a recipe. So always do research guys before making recipe. Are my tin cans for the salve. This one here, I name it already. This is recycle, but this is for personal use. This is Vicks cups or jar. I'm gonna use it, and this one is clean also, recycle. But these are the tin cans are brand new. I do sterilize all the things here, including this one. So yeah, that one recycle also. So 3 of these are recycled, and the rest are brand new. So those are for personal use. This recycle. So let's pour this first. Maano agad siya guys, nagda-dry agad siya. Kita nyo, nagda-dry agad siya. You see guys, it's drying quickly. Wow. This is pretty good guys. Wow, it's very firm. Nice. I love this. I think much better to use this guys kasi nagda-dry agad siya quickly. I can see now, I'm happy with the result guys. Nagda-dry siya quickly. So let's use this one. Huwag lang siya magsusobra. Ayan, nagda-dry na siya. Ay, ito mahirap kapag nagda-dry na. Wow, I'm very happy for the result, guys. I can tell it's perfect. So I think it's more or less only 30 salve. See guys, I infused a lot, but I didn't expect it's gonna be less. I expect it's gonna fit on the 60 hulmahan. See guys, I think more or less only 20s. Wow, this is gonna be very expensive, guys, because of the ingredients are all premier. Kailangan ko lang ko itong isa. So magbawas tayo dito, kasi pambenta yan. Ito pang humuse lang to. See guys, the cold one is become really salve balm. See? Wow, nice. I'm very happy with the result, guys. See, this is cold already in its form balm. So I'm gonna make a sample, guys, on myself. Hold on, I have to mix it properly here. Kasi ayoko namang masayang to. Humuse lang naman to. Sayang kasi guys, oh, di ba? Madami tong dikit-dikit. Eh, malaking ano to, malaking bagay. Itong ganito, mga 3 to 4 days mo na itong gagamitin, lalo na kung konti lang naman ang kati-kati sa katawan mo, di ba? Eh, lalo pa ganito, ang mahal ng ingredients. And syempre, mahal din ang benta ko nito kasi ang mamahal ng ingredients. Plus pa yung mga in-infuse ko na mga ingredients super dami. So, and this is gonna be very powerful, guys. Yan. Humuse lang naman yan. So, okay lang siya, ganyan. Wow, I'm very happy, guys, for the result of this. Perfect. So now, sisipagin na ako magawa ulit. Kaya lang, ang mahal ng ingredients, guys. More or less, these ingredients, guys, this is the one that I make. I spent like $500. See, guys? It's super expensive here in Canada to buy all the ingredients. Kaya, sayang na may matira. And you see, guys, it's very beautiful, the color. It's drying already, and it's turning golden yellow, the color of my salvia, or yellow-green. Oh my God, you can smell the natural or botanical. So let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hard. 4, 8, 12, 16, 21, 30. So the tin cans, guys, is 30. Plus this is the humuse. It's bigger. So I'm gonna divide it for $500, guys. So I'm gonna let this dry to my hubby's face because he has allergy on his face. Sayang kasi guys to. Tingnan nyo yung kulay niya. When it's dried, guys, it's become golden yellow. See? Or maybe yellow green. Let me see. Yeah, it's become golden yellow, the color. Or light brown. I'm just gonna put this here. Sayang kasi guys, kasi ang mahal ng ingredients. Super mahal. Imagine 13 kinds of ingredients that I infuse. It's all powerful, guys, for the salvi. Yan. Ang bango. Super bango, guys. I like the smell. Hindi mo halos maamoy yung lavender kasi it smells the lavender because of the botanical blends. It's more stronger, the botanical blends that I included. Let me put this on the skin. If it's gonna, see guys, I'm putting on my skin now. So I'm giving you guys a sample for myself. See? Wow, it's really good on the skin, guys. Look at that. Kuminis lalo yung aking balat. Wow, see guys? So I don't wanna waste this. And this is botanical, so it's very good for internal organs and it's very good for the skin. See guys, oh wow, look at this, my skin, guys. Oh, it's become smoother. Wow. And the infused oil, guys, has avocado seeds. I include avocado seeds for the pain. So this is gonna be very powerful because of celery roots, avocado seeds, comfrey roots, chamomile, calendula flowers, and lavender, a little bit lavender flowers, very tiny amount of cloves, cardamom, guys, there's a cardamom on the infused oil. So cardamom is very expensive, guys, so just to let you know, it's gold, the price of cardamom. So guys, don't be surprised if my salve is gonna be very expensive because this is the most powerful salve you're gonna have in your life. Botanical and powerful salve. See guys, oh, wow, diba? Ang ganda, oh. See, it's become clear, my skin, oh, and it's become smoother. Ang ganda, grabe. Pwede na siyang body cream, kaya lang super mahal. Grabe naman itong ginto, ang presyo nito sa mga mahal ng ingredients. You see guys, it's changing the color from dark brown, it's turning to green right now. So tomorrow, when it's cold properly, or maybe another 2 to 3 hours, it's gonna be cool down, so it might gonna be yellow color. So, see, surprisingly changing, guys, the color. Wow, this is so good. So, this one, hindi ko pa ito hugasan, guys, kasi bukas gagamitin pa ni Habi. Ayan, oh. O, diba? O, diba? Hindi ko pa ito hugasan, sayang eh. Pati yung sa kutsara, o, tinan mo, meron pa din siya. Ilagay ko nga lang dito. Para mag-firmer yung aking skin, oh. Ganda. Grabe, ang ganda guys sa skin, oh. Super. Oh, ayan, oh. See guys, I'm showing it to you now. My salve is very good. This is very good. Amazing, amazing salve. Meron pa siya dito. Kunin ko to. Sayang, oh. Ay, lagay ko na lang siya dito. Kasi ito guys na si Buckthorn, it's very powerful. The rose hip is very good for repairing skin. So, sayang to. It's very good for repairing skin. So, those are rose hip, guys. Very good to repair your skin damage. So, wow. See guys. So, I have to compute all the capital for this before I can give you the proper price. Ayan, tahin natin sa katawan. Kasi sayang eh. Ang bango, sarap ng amoy. Grabe. Sana mawala yung aking stretch marks. Yan, may stretch mark kasi ako guys kasi tumaba ako. So yun ang gusto kong mawala. Pag nawala yun, yari. Yari talaga. May mga stretch mark ako, hindi halata yung mga stretch mark ko. Ako lang nakakakita niyan. Kasi nakulay siya ng balat. Tanggalin na nga natin to. Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda na sa skin, oh, di ba? Naging glow ang aking skin, very glow. Oh, wow, gumanda, oh. Nagiging mistisa ako nito. Ayan, oh. Di ba? Ganda. Eh, paano pag sa mukha ko pa yan i-apply? Hindi, huwag na sa mukha, dito na lang sa mga braso. Kasi braso lang naman ang nangangapi sa akin minsan. Minsan na lang guys. So, yesterday I ate some chicken and I feel a little bit itchy, just like 1 dot itchy. So, you know, I apply the Infuse, not the Salve, because I just make the Salve today, this time. I apply the Infuse and right away, the itchy on my skin gone. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna focus on the Salve. So, here you go guys. These are my Salve. I just made it tonight, February 6th. So it takes a lot of time to prepare. Make sure all the ingredients, it has to be same amount. So it's very expensive guys, because the infused oil that I make, it's 13 kinds of ingredients or 14 kinds or something like that. It's all powerful. There's cardamom. So cardamom is a gold price guys, just to let you know. So don't be surprised if my Salve is become expensive, because all the infused oil, it's like 2 liters. I use them all for this one, and it's all finished, the 2 liters, and only this I make. So this one, that's why it's different colors, because of the rose hip that left on the paper glass. I add also because rose hip is good for repairing skin. So it's only more than 30 except these 3. This is gonna be home use. But the rest, the tin cans, the 2 ounce, I'm gonna sell this. So message me who are the first one who gonna message me, for sure you're gonna get. But the rest, I'm sorry. So if you really have a moderate to severe problem in your eczema, please message me right away so I can prepare for you this. I'm not sure the exact price because I have to compute all the ingredients. So many ingredients guys I use. If you're gonna research it, eat all the ingredients. Cardamom is very expensive. Calendula, chrysanthemum, chamomile, celery roots, dandelion roots and flowers, lavender, marigold flowers, chamomile flowers, and tamano oil, rosehip oil, olive oil infused to all those ingredients, vitamin E, and what else, etc. So you watch on my YouTube channel how I process and all the ingredients. I'm gonna put it there. For sure, I know you cannot just copy because it's hard to find so many ingredients, and I find online, but some of those cannot deliver here in Canada, so I have to find in different area. And I found in one area only those flowers that are hard to find, and some of those flowers when you buy online is not really good to use, so it has to be fresh, air dry, those ingredients. And some of the ingredients, most of them I process personally, especially the dandelion roots and flowers, and also the celery roots. So see guys, it's very powerful. And look at my skin, oh. I use it already. The one that left on my hands, on my gloves, I don't want to throw it. So yeah. Here you go guys. After a couple hours, this is the color changing. See guys? So this one here is for me. It's gonna be my home use, just in case. But this one is who wants to buy this big one, and this one is, I think this one I'm gonna send it to my family to the Philippines, the big one, and this one is for my friend that going to the Philippines also. So see mother, they're gonna receive a beautiful and very expensive premier present. And this is for sale, all the tin cans. So this is after 2 hours or 3 hours guys. I'm not gonna put the lid right now. It has to be very dry and cool down properly before sealing the lids. I cover it overnight guys. So let's see, check out. Wow, look at that guys. It's so beautiful. See? And this one is for home use. So it's okay. I write it down all the ingredients, see guys. So all the ingredients are here. And this one, see? It's so beautiful. This is the result. And it's really stick together, see guys. Even you do like that guys, see? It doesn't come off unless you're gonna put this in a hot area, then it's gonna be melted. So it's really, really good guys. It's here when you dip your finger, see, it goes to your finger. And of course I'm gonna put on my hand. See, it's nice and it's shiny and it's really good for the cracked skin. It's really good guys. Oh. It smells so good. You can smell the botanical herbs. So now it's ready to put the lid. So these are the lids. There's a sealer on it. So we're just gonna put like that, and of course you have to lock it. Ready for selling, and of course the label. We have to put the label front and back. So I haven't made the label, but it's gonna be ready later tonight. So see, it's Saturday guys here in Canada. It's gonna be Sunday in the Philippines. So meron siyang sumubra kasi syempre aksidente na pag ipinorm mo siya. Kailangan malinis. Yan. Siling na tayo ngayong umaga. See, iba talaga pag nagsasarili ka ng business kahit weekend, kailangan mo mag-work. So, yan ko pa ito mamaya kasi I still have to put the front, back label. The front is the title, and the back label, all the ingredients is gonna be here on back label. So, I haven't printed out because I don't have the printer here at home. I have the small one, but I want the beautiful print. So, you know, guys, I'm very creative. So, all these are sanitized, sterilized, and sanitized before I put the, see, this one, you can just, it goes to your finger, and you can see, guys, see, it's flawless. Even here, I put in here on my, see guys, it looks so smooth on the skin. May kamahalan siya, kaya hindi pwedeng basta sayangin guys. Hindi ko pa nga hinugasan yung pinaglutuan ko guys, yung pinagawaan ko na double boiler. Kasi ipapagamit ko yun sa aking asawa yung, kasi pag nag-ahit kasi siya, nangangati at nagkakaroon ng rashes, so ipapagamit ko yun. Ipukuskusin ko ng kamay, ipahit ko sa mukha niya. So, may allergy siya sa pag-aahit. Diba? Ang kagandahan nito guys kasi hindi mo siya yung igaganon. So, see? Slowly but very pure. Oh, meron na. Teka, tanggalin natin kasi para makinis. Ayan. Kailangan kasi makinis siya kasi pambinta to eh. So, PM me guys if you are interested to try my moderate to severe eczema. Another thing guys, eczema, there's no cure of eczema. This is just to help the eczema not flaring up much or ease the itchiness or heal the skin, but it's not a cure because when you eat eczema food like chicken, crabs, shrimps, your eczema is gonna come back again and flare up. So, eczema is what you call it in Tagalog ay hindi siya nagagamot. So, kahit saan doktor kayo pumunta, ang eczema ay hindi basta-basta nagagamot. Lalo na kapag matatakaw kayong kumain ng mga bawal na pagkain sa eczema o yung food ng eczema, kapag yun ang nilapang nyo natural, mag-flare up yung mga eczema nyo. So this is just to help your eczema not to having itchiness or dryness or whatever, or it's not gonna be like worse. Well, I tried already on my itchy skin and it's really good. So, but I don't know on the others guys. So you have to try it first to know. You will never know if it's good for your eczema if you don't try. So I tried on my skin, on my itchy skin. I don't have eczema, but I have allergy sometimes. So work in the morning. See, that's the thing when you make bar soap. It's like bar soap and salvi. It's like your work never ending. You have to work overtime. You have to work blah blah blah. See, so later I'm gonna show you the labeling. Ayan na, malapit na ako matapos mag-seal ng aking salve. Now, totally done sealing it. So only the label need.